Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2403 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's EVAP system, specifically the leak detection pump. And if left unresolved, it can trigger the check engine light, increase harmful fuel vapor emissions, and prevent your vehicle from passing an emissions inspection. What does P2403 mean? P2403 stands for Evaporative Emission System Leak Detection Pump Sense Circuit, open. In simple words, the ECU has detected an open circuit or electrical fault in the sense circuit of the leak detection pump. The leak detection pump, also called the LDP, is responsible for checking the EVAP system for leaks. It creates pressure or vacuum inside the fuel vapor system and sends feedback to the ECU through the sense circuit. The ECU monitors this feedback signal to confirm that the pump is working correctly. If the ECU does not receive the expected signal because of an open circuit or wiring fault, it stores the P2403 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2403, you may notice: check engine light on, failed emissions inspection, EVAP monitor not completing, fuel vapor smell around the vehicle, additional EVAP-related trouble codes, and in most cases, no noticeable change in engine performance. Because this fault mainly affects the emissions system, many drivers only notice the check engine light. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The leak detection pump is usually mounted near the charcoal canister close to the fuel tank underneath the vehicle. On some vehicles, the pump is integrated into the EVAP canister assembly. The sense circuit wiring runs from the pump to the ECU through an electrical connector and wiring harness. Since the pump is mounted underneath the vehicle, the wiring is exposed to water, road salt, mud, heat, and vibration. The most common causes of P2403 include: faulty leak detection pump, open circuit in the sense wire, broken or damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, poor ground connection, faulty EVAP control module, or ECU problems in rare cases. Broken wiring near the fuel tank is one of the most common causes of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional EVAP-related trouble codes. Inspect the leak detection pump connector for corrosion or loose terminals. Check the wiring harness for broken, cut, or damaged wires. Use a digital multimeter to test continuity in the sense circuit. Verify power and ground connections, and use a professional scan tool to activate the leak detection pump and monitor its feedback signal. How to fix P2403. Repair damaged wiring, reconnect broken or loose wires. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair poor ground connections. Replace the faulty leak detection pump if testing confirms failure, clear the code, and perform a complete EVAP drive cycle to verify the repair. Final result: fixing P2403 will restore proper communication between the leak detection pump and the ECU. Allow the EVAP monitor to complete successfully, reduce harmful fuel vapor emissions, help your vehicle pass emissions testing, and keep the check engine light OFF. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.